Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to delete all drafts on Outlook using a Mac computer in the year 2026 web-based. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Microsoft Office 365. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, then go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. In this case, click on this. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to Outlook.com and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to the left-hand side navigation menu, then go to the drafts folder. As you can see, we have a couple of drafts in this folder. Let's now click on one and then select all the drafts at the same time. And now we want to empty the folder. Discard message. Are you sure you want to discard this draft? Yes, we are. So all the draft emails that were sitting in the draft folder have now been contiguously deleted at the same time. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.